ex-gratia. It be say an entrenched idea. When we are president, Uber was idea no, but now when peace no crane, what appointees etia a bit my fiasco. In the case of Nanado Dia, Baku a fiasco. DC's elections.
No, only on Twaba. He withdrew it.
So, who's support in Niho from?
How did he know? How did he know?
Some.
How did he know? Because opinions are being shaped. Opinions are being modeled. Some of us, not campaign for that one because me the chief executive that.
Yes.
And I name a Hawa. So we achieve
3.1.
Your creativity is even reduced.
We chief executive. Now new one.
Mizano order a do fear then you may know and two dear. Not to say where the affair.
Hey, I am just saying I'm what the year you man.
In the who be 6 o'clock news. Who did this year in your power?
And you mess 6 o'clock news. We are DC here pa.
News in yana. A bus is now to dear. That is channel bedroom. We say a conference or Sunyani. Not Saturday and another day, Honorable Akon will take you over as regional minister.
So, 3.1.
No, I share Nejumasi. Indeed, your chair, your coin, if you near Chekaka, and my colleagues are taking the lead in Sunyani. And let me show them my accommodation, young quantum. Maybe I'm to the Sunyani, a baby or conference, or one quantum, and her baby over the pie on bedding. Until me fair, me call me colleague or school could have been backward. This is my friend. Adam, what do you think? I'm sure. Would you die? JP Mamma, yeah, assignment of mention. Yeah, was it? Won't news?
Some Panay 3.1.
Was you an pay? I bundi, somebody has spoken to the previous night. Nene Casa, we are by 11. See a bundi, in it. I feel one say, Yanni, I can't in. I say, hey, Castro, come, bear me answer.
Near you, Madi.
There was a can you was enough. Disoriented. What's happening? Oh,
yeah.
Ain't he said, me fix them.
See, I told me Swaba me call 4 years, me call 5 years. Yeah,
you could talk about so be a DC. As soon as he enters the office, he's a party
Some
person.
Panay
But he's the
3.1.
foremost person for the district. In the Kanajuma Yepa should all of the time be influenced by the needs and the demands of the people. I don't need this even to go which chairman to me back baby and they say for contract or home. How is this possible?
Chairman to be by office, but catch yourself a contract to be mammy.
It will feel
Let's only capacity so better my year.
capacity bank. Or Minister of Local Government.
Some Panay 3.1.
And now or regional minister. And our director of projects at Ministry of Local Government. If you need DC for Ontokwa. Oh, the man.
Yeah.
Say, I told about my this year. Chairman, better I would jump there. For contractor. Why am I me?
Yeah. Yeah.
What is it? Because DC
Some Panay 3.1.
and the can once a man. On party for the can once a man. Kukurumbo. Ube connect Juma DC Crown.
Why ye no?
Mana party for say Onyadi, Mampenini, no.
I didn't hear.
Or pay personal benefit a feed this in your Onya. The Omwa party. They don't look at the background of the disease. I didn't buy Ibisan or Binakatese. I'm telling you, if that thing had gone through, it would have succeeded. Because Omamokotuaba, Bibri, I this.
Some Panay 3.1.
From your side, many colleagues are not the chief executive. No, Mube 16 or parliament is here.
Mube says 16. Okay.
This only panel of facility be animal. You have opportunity. Amana. Maninu and me. Busy. Me, Nibio.
Yeah.
But one say, Even me TV, say MPP need DC who buys a man. Na me come on.
You already be there.
Because me name CB Ajumadi anything.
What I say?
And maybe this is Monday. Okay, me tia some na.
Some Panay 3.1.
Me can am. As I'm maintain this inside, but the ABC any win. Eventually, off air no. The very things I was talking about.
Okay, and no pepe.
It was repeated. And maybe almost swear Jagu and Jagumso. If I found them, say,
Hey, come on.
and I'm saying, Jagun Niska. I say, oh, Sinam, me Tian Comana Ska now. Because I'm one two for say, Peka Ketuebi, in your assembly card.
Some Panay 3.1.
And those were Vit Ketuebi.
Yeah, my own say you su a Toyota Vit Ketuebi na.
I don't want to photos on your side. And a lot of us would have pushed for it. But you see, what we are saying is that thing happens in other jurisdictions. I had them 5 years ago. MPP 4-5. The Public Services Commission. That you will interview. Or my qualify. Me don't matter. Me come on. Or my commerce. Me come for now to
Some Panay 3.1.
what I said. So that it does not undermine the execution of government projects because you had decentralization. And yet decentralization or financial decentralization. Ubeye or action plan or work plans in your district or as it can be being crying never.
Tisikana ma action plan no work planning na.
In this ekobase. Say abra MPP why. Na NDC ni na give me chief executive. We have action plan. I have scanning map.
Some Panay 3.1.
I have scanning map. Just to make you look bad. Say yeah, NDC na wa bem na MPP ni.
NPP ni na ADC or what?
I have scanning map.
Scanning map.
So all that we are saying is that select people from Unko for now. Let's vote for them. And I'm telling you that within the MPP and NDC, at every given time, Ebanesa, the people can select the best candidates.
It's true.
Because ni papa were MPP.
Ni papa so NDC. Pa.
That is what.
Some Panay 3.1.
The issue of
ex-gratia Article 71. Zuban Patrometi for so monte unkai inti pejane ne mumame.
The issue of ex-gratia. Baby, a year entrenched. No constitution. Constitution I check kwanya ye befa swa. Or say a year and says I ya be no. Into the mampenyin da kasayana. Or say or dear kunya obi bofo kasa in earnest. Just say any many
ya. Our harisu like
any many harisu. Obed dem rabe kwa kosi.
Some Panay 3.1.
Say, ono nipa ono apa enyo obi oje ex-gratia bia wo. Utie ni dia. Ubo voice ni ya. Ono ne nipa wa pa wo mo a omo di adwuma wo ono no nsem no. Or say members of the executive. And remember there are 3 arms of government. Legislature. Judiciary and executive. Now, these are the people who benefit from ex-gratias in the country.
Yeah.
The these are my conditions of service. Me de mra ba abeso fapem se wa mama wadwuma de wo wi adwuma wo ji wakatua wi ahwe ne ye enya de a obenya ex-gratia
obi bia wa man adwuma bia
president mama if you become part of the executive that is no president mama na ema wadwuma enti wo a wo ma wadwuma ne de wo ji adwuma na ka hu se president mahama breso no wo na wa fa wadwuma no unya ex-gratia
na so we minister we deputy minister we DC we CEO we a presidential staffer.
Once you are part of the executive arm of government, who is so appointed by the executive president, and it's required by law to be given ex-gratia gratuity upon the completion of your term of service. Or say what's a nipano? Wo dear. Yeah, then they ban. Oh dear, you man, fashion trim.
Busmi aketua na obedi.
Busmi aketua no dear. Fini. Unya ex-gratia. Then he goes on to say, one day he goes on to say, one other organs, in this case, judiciary and the legislature. Everything could a persuade you.
So mususuno.
But for persuasion, it say, make say mama what yes, yeah, dear say ya, ebeboa. Who are persuade you. In the executive, it's immediate. The other arms of government, there will be consultations. Now, I believe that also what the other arms of government in Munu, they are in this country.
Yeah.
And in the last 6 years, the call for the scrapping of ex-gratia has become a dominant discussion within the political discourse.
Yeah.
Fix the country for all those young men and previously even Occupy Ghana.
Yeah.
Have complained about ex-gratia.
Ex-gratia.
Make my baby say, Majibida. Mami
no, yeah. MCE Obuasi. Okay.
Emrane Mami J.
Ne modu kakra.
Modu pa, nyeze modu kaka. Modu ka.
Modu. Edum fieja. Edum jafie.
What I say? Modu. What I say? Maji. But we share calculation of ex-gratia and zoom M1. If I'm baby no, and said that you fair to the people.
I didn't hear.
I kept you out here. Me at born 2.5. I could try my year, you want my jidada. Soon be a tremka. I could try my gym, sometimes in the 2. I just calculated the number of months I'm here. I become my jacket.
You see, a monument and then their committee, no. Na mubedi mubenya position na yense dan enyama ketuano yenti aye beba so na de ama no
aketua me last 3 months aketua de ma me no eye me marketua na de ma me ya fa me marketua
aketua de ma o last 3 months awudi free Obuasi as MCE no eyiwadi
President Kufuor buy 13th January and yeah, announcement. So we made it.
So now umra so na
your term is not good terminus with
president no.
7 January coming Kwajima.
Okay.
What
I say?
The word president is a definite article in the constitution. What I say? It once I am appointed by the president, it is the office.
Okay.
And it does not say anywhere in the constitution say when the political party changes, it must change. Okay. But the appointing authority is vested in the president. In the Abra president, the president can disappoint me.
Okay.
On the 13th January, the president, through his representative then at the Ministry of Local Government, caused letters to be written. And in my appointment letter, say my time ministry, and I come time 23rd July 2017. Say me time so now we media utia marketia me if bosome miensa edim time na wo di menim inti also utia me kabeka April.
Okay.
Inti January no media dada no and
February
meje foforo no omo amaba foforo na ketua and meje
March
amo foforo na ketua and April.
Okay.
But ex-gratia you calculate beka December of 2017.
Okay.
What you say?
Matiase.
No what the adwuma no nyina every. Adwen po a omode ye ex-gratia no. Na ye. But over time no. Sabre we mu di ehia. The time make us ehia ne say. Say free political office. Now we adjust it into mainstream private life now.
Enough from
me can be pia. enti me nua me say me hye o ma futu am de mama mo hwe yo mo hwe yo me hye obi na odidi sia me kan say endika mpedan pedjuma
endika pedan
da
ko pedjuma
wo adwuma na adwuma na sustainable a wo be hand I bosom so be twa rent wo be nya asomdwe
yeah
si mansion na oni adwuma wo be ton fufufu
it's true
what you say
Adjusting
into private life ending
musie freelance cruise nimu ne ade no from political life na ba ye die mu a
me bia me teta fe me choba bia me mako school because na me ye chief executive na more public space and kwaya security obi person ha me a be target me ma nti odi ombe ko environment bia we feel say obi nya won to me ha me
yeah
we feel akonya no so a afi na wasa be yoma ba Azaria
David
what akwaya no
yes
it you have to keep them there abde suti fi onja kapia so when you juma o be so mo
Sampana 3.1
obi chadia class 4 why party juma all of a sudden ya tam ka